How often do you just get to sit around and enjoy your life? Not very often if you're working 8 to 10 hours a day, or if you're just trying to find a job and you're stressed and overwhelmed. There's so many possibilities or ways you can think about it. For me today, I had a rough night. Bad weather came through. I was up early, being with my dogs. I went to my doctor's appointment, and now I'm home and getting ready to watch another movie. And I'm thankful because I found digital marketing that is teaching me how to have an automated business that is out there working for me 24/7. I don't have to bug friends or family. I don't have to be stressed and overwhelmed. I am living my life how I always wanted to live. And if this sounds like something that you would like to learn more about, put yes in the comments and I'll be happy to share.